Good morning, y'all. I'm going to teach y'all about credit. And I'm not talking about all that shit y'all learned in school by your parents. No, we need to go ahead and erase that because most of it is wrong. Y'all been taught wrong. I'm going to teach y'all how to correctly understand and deal with credit. So we're going to try to make this as simple as possible. What is credit? Credit is how lenders determine if you are trustworthy enough to borrow money or not. What is debt? Debt is when you borrow money from a lender and you now owe them back the money. Now that we went over the basics, we need to talk about what happens when you borrow money from a lender or an original creditor. You don't pay it back, so now you have a debt, and that debt ends up on your credit report. Once you default, there's only two ways that it'll report on your credit report. It's either going to be a charge-off or it's going to be a collection. Now, charge-off is just a status. That does not mean it's been written off. It doesn't mean they took a profit loss. This is just, it's either with the original creditor or it's with a third-party collection agency. That's what I mean by a charge-off or a collection. The charge-off is usually reported under the original creditor, and a collection is by a third party. There are times where you go to the collections portion of your credit report and you will see the original creditor's name, but it's under as a collection. It's still a charge-off. So keep that in mind. The only time this does not apply is if a original creditor hires a third-party collection agency to collect on their behalf. It's still considered a charge-off. They just have another party doing the hard work, which is collecting the money from you. But you still owe the original creditor. So you treat it, again, as a charge-off. If you guys stick around for part 2, I'm going to teach you guys not only the difference